In this video, I'm going to show you what plugin I'm using in order to write optimized posts. And in order to install the plugin, go at plugins right here, then go to add new plugin. And here you have to write in the search plugins box, write SEO by Yoast. And then you go and look for the plugin right here, Yoast SEO. Install this plugin. Wait a few seconds. It will be ready pretty soon. And after a few seconds, the plugin was installed. Then you have to activate it by clicking on Activate Plugin right here. If you want, you can go ahead and look at it. It has a lot of options. I will show you exactly which of them I am using and how I'm using them, but we will go through them in more than one video, so don't worry. First, I will go to the pages, all pages. Then I will go to my front page, Simera Online. And you'll see that I already have some text here. I have written this text before I started the video, simply because it's boring to watch someone write a text like this. I will give this text to you in the course. It is available to you. You can read it as much as you want and exercise on it. Alright, so how do we use this plugin? Well, it's very easy to use it. The first thing that you have to do is you have to write here your keyword, the main keyword you're working on. So let's write it. It's Simera Online. Give it a second. And now you get a lot more options here. We can see that the keyword density is above the recommended density for the keyword. So we have to remove some of the keywords that I had here. Maybe let's remove this keyword here and make it, once you take a picture with the application, come on, the application. And we're almost ready, so we have to remove another keyword. So, oh, this is available thanks to the large set of filters and lenses that it has. Let's remove this as well and make it like this. And I still have to remove another one. So I will change them a bit in such a way that I'm going to use some of my secondary keywords. So for example, here we are going to change Simera Online to Simera Photo Editor. Photo Editor, like this. And now we have the keyword density is great. Perfect. We have a few more red and orange points here to fix, and we're going to fix them. It's very easy to fix them. But before that, we're going to use a bit more keywords here. We don't have to add either of these keywords, Simera Photo or Simera Editor, because we already have them within this keyword. So you see how quickly these keywords are vanishing. So we use this, so we have to use Simera Camera somewhere, which will account for both of these keywords, and we may combine Simera Camera with Simera Camera and Photo Editor. So these all will go in a single keyword. So let's do it. For example, here, Simera Camera and Photo Editor, like this. Let's check our keyword density. 7 times, 2%, great, perfect. Now we have keywords that account for all the keywords that we had here, and we are with a green tick for the keyword density, which is great. Now, let's see what we can do about the other red and orange dots. So the focus keyword does not appear in the URL for this page. We can't fix this. If you purchase the domain name Simera Online, you will still get this error because it will simply be Simera online.com, and the plugin may not be able to find this keyword in your domain. So you shouldn't worry about this if your domain is exact match of your keyword. Now, the next things. No outbound links appear in this page. What is an outbound link? An outbound link is a link that points to another page that is outside of your page. So for example, we can add something like learn more about this app at the Google Play Store. Or if you have other websites, you can point to some of your websites. So the way you make links is by selecting the text that you want to become a link, and then you click on this icon right here, and then you write your link, google.com. Alright, perfect. We no longer have the error for outbound links. Now, what can we do about the meta description? You can click on this little button here, edit snippet, and this is the title for your web page. This is the title that will appear in Google, this blue link right here. So you can see how it gets edited when you write it. So you can write Smera Online for PC, the greatest photo editor. You can see that it turned green. It shows you how many characters you have left. So you can see that this is the maximum characters that you can have. Let's delete this. So we have a title. The slug, I'm not going to touch it. This is the link right here. I will leave it like it is. So if this was the smeraonline.com link, it wouldn't have anything else. It would be simply smeraonline.com. And if you write something here, it would be smeraonline.com/something. And I really don't want this for my primary page. The meta description is another thing that we're going to fix right now and fix this error here. So the way we are going to fix this is by simply copying the first row from our text. And as you can see, it's a bit too much. Let's see how much we have to remove. And ... Perfect. Now, as you can see, by editing this title here, we will also fix the page title character minimum and maximum limit. Perfect. So the only error that we now have is that we don't have an image in our text, and we are going to easily fix this. And let's write Smera Play Store. Go to images, this is images, and simply find the image for the app. Is this one? Alright, so this is the image for the app itself. You can simply download this image, and we're going to upload it on our page right here by clicking on the Add Media button right here. Select Files, select the file, and here we have to edit the title and the alt text. So Smera Online for PC free download. I'm adding all the keywords that we are going to use in both of these places. Insert into page, click on the image and select the Align Left option right here, and then reduce its size to 100 by 100 pixels, like this. Perfect. Let's see what we have here now. Perfect. We have all greens. The only thing that we couldn't fix is the URL, and I explained why we're not going to fix it. So let's update our post. And it's perfect. As you can see, we have a green light here. If we go to all pages, there is another thing that you get here from the plugin. You also see the SEO score on all your pages right here. So this is really helpful, and it helps you see if you have some outdated posts, if you need to fix something or something like that. So this is the way that you have to create all your other pages, the way you have to write them, the way you have to put your keywords in them and fix all the other things that you have to fix. It's also very good to add inbound links instead of only outbound links. And we're going to add one inbound link, and it's going to be learn how to download Semrush from this guide right here, from this guide. All right, and make this guide into a link that's going to lead to Semrush download page, our page that's within our blog update. Perfect. So go ahead and create all the rest of the posts for your web page, for your keyword that you have chosen to make a website for. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them.